Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out another video transmitter from eWRF. This is another one of those smart audio video transmitters. They've got a whole bunch of them out. Did a video previously on a larger version of this. It was for sort of full-size 5-inch drone, and this one is the micro-sized one, and it's going to fit on a 20 by 20 stack. It has an M2 screw hull here, so you should keep that in mind if you have a M2.5 or M3. This particular board won't fit on top of your stack, but if you have a stack with the M2 standoffs or screws, then this board will fit on top of your stack. And if you have enough space in your frame, you could add that as a third board. Now this is very similar to the HGLRC TX20 V2, and that's also a 20 by 20 board. And that one is not using Smart Audio, it uses the TRAMP protocol for control via your Betaflight OSD. But the HGLRC one is a bit more expensive than this one here. I believe that one, the TX20, is about $26, and this one comes in at about $16, so it's about $10 cheaper. The difference is, other than of course the Smart Audio and the TRAMP protocol, the one from HGLRC, the TX20, will do up to 350 milliwatts, whereas this one will only go up to 200 milliwatts. So you have 0 milliwatts or pit mode, 25 milliwatts, 100 milliwatts, and 200 milliwatts for this particular transmitter. But on the HGLRC, it'll go beyond 200 milliwatts up to 350 milliwatts. So if you need the extra power for more range, then I would recommend going with the HGLRC product, and that does cost about $10 more than this one. Now, this board does come with a micro FL connector along with a whip antenna, and this is pretty much all you get here. You just get the antenna and the board. Don't get any wires or any instructions or anything like that, but this is actually very easy to set up. Basically, you have input power of 7 to 24 volts here. You want to wire up your power there and ground, and then the third pin here is going to be, it's labeled S-Bus, but that's actually for the Smart Audio feature. You can also use it as S-Bus through your transmitter, but of course you want to connect that to your Betaflight flight controller, to a spare UART on a TX link, and that should get you set up on Smart Audio. And then the rest of these connections here, you got the ground, 5 volts, and video in from your camera, and you also have audio in if you have a microphone from your camera as well. So all those inputs are available, but you have to wire this up yourself, and usually on these micro setups you have to direct solder them to all the pads on the flight controller. I do have another video with another eWRF product where I did all the wiring and the setup along with the setup for Smart Audio and Betaflight. I'll put a card in the corner to that video if you want to see complete instructions how to set that up. It's going to be very similar to the way you set up this one. So as you can see here, I'm putting this into this iFlight frame. This is the iX2 V2 2.5-inch frame I just got, and obviously I'm not done yet, so there's not going to be any flight video in this video. For if you want to see any flight video from this particular video transmitter, I'll have this video out pretty soon, and then I'll put a card in the corner for that video if you want to check out the video quality of the transmission from this particular video transmitter, and that will be out pretty soon. Anyway, it's going to do for this quick review of this eWRF micro video transmitter. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.